To draw jellyfish, we'll begin by adding inverted U, then connect these 2 points. Next, add two circles and inside these two circles we'll add two more circles. Now we'll color it. After you finish coloring, we'll now add the string. So draw a curved line. Similarly, parallelly draw another line. So that will form one. Similarly, we'll draw other curves. And we'll end this. So once you finish doing this, we'll start coloring. I'll be using pink. So it is fun when coloring. You can use sketch pens, crayons. Then we'll color the head. And we'll add shade of red below its eye to show that it's way too cute, and that's how you draw it jellyfish.